Wow, look at this definition. I mean, we're twisting it up, but she's giving wash and go. What's up, guys? It's your girl, Kenzie Kent, and I'm back. I know it's been a minute, but I'm so excited because I'm back with a good one for you guys, okay? Today's video, I'm going to be introducing you to a collection I've been biting my tongue on for a minute now. I've been waiting to share with you guys the details, and now the day has finally come. We are talking Luster's. Yes, Luster's Pink. I know you all remember it back in the day when your mama used to do your hair. I know you remember the smell, the Luster's Pink lotion. That Luster's. They are back with a brand new line, the Moisture Maintenance Collection. And y'all, I've tried it and loved it, particularly because it's formulated with not only hydrating ingredients, but plant protein. And you guys know me, if you've been on my channel for a while, you know I love protein. But yes, the Moisture Maintenance Collection from Luster's Pink. Look at this packaging. Let's get into it. It has 5 new products, all super hydrating, perfect for wash day or in between wash days. And that's what I figured I would show you guys today. Don't worry, I will be giving you the tea on the entire line. But for today's video, we're gonna focus on this bad boy, okay? This is the Repair and Strengthen Natural Oil Moisturizing Lotion. Avocado oil, plant protein, and shea butter. Like I said, I'm most excited about that protein because we got to get these curls back in formation, okay? So if you're interested in seeing how I use the new Luster's Pink Moisture Maintenance line to get this hair together, stay tuned. To be honest, lately my hair care has been a little lackluster, no pun intended. And as you can see from the state of these ends, right? Your girl, I need some strength, I need some structure back into my hair. Now let's get into the star of the show, okay? Again, this is the Repair and Strengthen Natural Oil Moisturizing Lotion. I have been neglecting my hair a bit lately, as you can see from these frazzled, frayed ends. And the great thing about the plant protein in this line is that it helps you to just repair those damaged ends and any split ends that you might have. So perfect for prepping for protective style. I also think hydrolyzed plant protein is just nice for getting into the hair strand and penetrating deeply without being super aggressive like some other protein treatments out there. Okay, girls. As you saw right there, the definition was starting to come through, okay, as my hair was drinking this up. Guys, this formula was super nice because it was lightweight and fast absorbing, but still ultra hydrating, which is great. I'm usually a thicker product girl, so I was surprised at the level of moisture that I got from this. So if you like a light product feel, you're definitely gonna love this one. Definitely a great option if you're someone who likes to refresh your curls midweek or in between wash days. All right, guys, so my twists are all installed and they're looking mighty juicy. I'm gonna go ahead and insert a nice close-up shot for you guys, but I am very impressed with how soft and moisturized my hair feels. And this shine, I mean, I am sitting in front of a light, but it has a nice natural luster. I'm actually very impressed by the way that my ends curled up and coiled up. Considering the state of my ends, this hair lotion did a great job of keeping that coil at the bottom. And I just feel like overall my hair feels very soft. First of all, let's get into this length, okay? She's retaining length. One of the main ways I do this is really with this style right here. If I'm not creating content for Instagram or YouTube where my hair has to be in a certain style, 2-strand twists, let me tell you, underrated. People don't talk about how great they are for retaining length. So you get yourself a nice moisturizing hair lotion, throw your hair in some protective twists for a week, and leave it alone. There is another lotion in the collection, but this is the one I gravitated towards specifically because it said repair and strengthen. When I go too long without protein, my hair gets mushy, it tangles in on itself very easily, especially when I'm wearing wash and goes, which I have been doing lately. Another thing to note is that this is super lightweight. And if you know me, if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know I'm not usually a lightweight girl. I like me a thick cream, I like me a thick butter, and I still do. But this was really great because it was super quick to absorb into my hair. Like my hair just drank it up, it sucked it in. But I still feel like there's moisture. I don't know if it's the avocado oil or the shea butter, but this is super hydrated. Supple. I feel like supple is the best word to describe these twists right now. In terms of how I'm gonna wear them, I probably will, you know, put them back in a little bun like this. It's cute. She's giving, okay? Maybe leave a little dangle out in the front, right? All right, guys, so that's about it for this video. Like I said, stay tuned because I will be giving you the tea on the rest of the collection. We still got to talk about the gel and the hair mask, okay? We're not done, and lusters did not come to play. I'm telling y'all right now. Make sure you're following me over on Instagram at Kenzie_Kens1. That's where I'll be posting an update to show you the progression of how these bad boys hold up over the week. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click that like button and subscribe. Click the little bell notification, okay, so you know when I drop the next video. And until next time, bye.